I've used my fair share of CRMs, but Salesflare kept popping up as the one that actually saves you time, so I dove in. Was the hype real, or just smart marketing? Here's how it performed in real-world workflows. Salesflare bills itself as the CRM that thinks for you. It promises automated data entry, intuitive pipelines, and seamless email per LinkedIn integration, all built for B2B sales teams and small businesses. But does it deliver on that automation promise, or is it just another slick-looking tool? Let's unpack what stood out, where it showed its limits, how much it costs, and who should really give it a shot. Salesflare's automation is genuinely powerful. It enriches your CRM records by pulling contact data from your inbox, calendar, and LinkedIn, cutting out hours of manual entry. One reviewer mentioned after a few minutes, every interaction had already been recorded. When every tech stack feels like patchwork, that native syncing with Gmail, Outlook, and LinkedIn is like finding the missing puzzle piece. When I logged in, having recent emails, calls, and contact details right in every record felt like magic. No more guesswork or missing context. The visual pipeline? Flexible, clear, and easy to customize to your sales process. Salesflare offers 3 plans: Growth, Pro, and Enterprise, starting from around $29 per month billed annually. For Growth, $49 for Pro, and $99 for Enterprise. Growth provides the essentials: automation, email tracking, LinkedIn sidebar, and 25 email searching credits. Pro adds workflows, custom dashboards, and more search credits. Enterprise brings hands-on setup, dedicated support, and infinite credits. It's not cheap, but you're paying for automation that actually works and support that responds fast. Salesflare earned an average of 4.8 out of 5 for ease of use and support, with users calling it the intelligent CRM that works for you, rather than the other way around. One user said the CRM doubled their revenue by enforcing smarter follow-up. Another said they cut lead admin work in half. Small businesses and solopreneurs often say it's lightweight, intelligent, and built exactly for teams looking to stop chasing data and start closing deals. That said, Salesflare isn't as robust for campaign-heavy or enterprise-grade workflows. If you need advanced marketing funnels, ABM dashboards, or omni-channel campaign tools, it may feel lightweight. Also, there's no free version, only a trial, so the cost can bite before you confirm ROI. A few users also mentioned its customization and reporting capabilities are more limited compared to enterprise CRMs, but they say that simplicity is often the trade-off for that seamless automation. Salesflare earns its place if you're after effortless CRM automation, inbox-centered workflows, and a tool your team will actually use. It aligns with how real salespeople work: first call, then click. But it's less suited for teams craving heavy marketing automation, depth in reporting, or a free tier to experiment with. So here's the bottom line: Salesflare automates what you hate doing without ever asking you to rebuild your workflow. If this review helped, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What part of your CRM drains your time most? Let's tackle it together in the next video.